Rocket launching! Whoa. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, this is awesome. It's an actual rocket. Oh, it's breaking the sound barrier. I told you guys this would be a one-in-a-lifetime thing. Dang, this is awesome. Look at it go. This is crazy. It keeps blacking out. What the heck? Whoa. So cool. Look at it. Whoa. So much fire. This is actually really crazy. I'm glad I saw this. Whoa, it's going so fast. You can barely see it anymore. I can't tell if it's going down or up. Whoa. Is it coming apart? Oh, it is. Look at the pieces. Yeah, I told you guys this would be worth it. Oh, they're out of orbit. This is fire, literally. All of America was watching that. Huh. That was awesome. Here's the news. Oh, that's the rocket. Look at that. They're so far up there. Imagine the shockwave from that. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! That's awesome looking. This is so cool. If only Chico was here to see this. That looks interesting. Wow. Told you guys that would be worth it. Wow. That was crazy. Yeah, we should probably show the others this video so they can see what happened too, because that was fire. That was actually cool. So, we probably should. Yep, got the video saved. That was awesome. Pretty cool. Was not expecting to see a rocket launch today, but you learned something new, I guess. Something like that. Alright, so Speed Tap, what did you want us here for again? Okay, so I couldn't grab you guys in time for it, but I wanted to show you the actual rocket launching that was on the news. There was a rocket launching on the news and you didn't tell us? Listen, I only had 10 minutes too. There wasn't that much time. Ah, boo. But I got the video on this phone. Show it to us. Alright, here. 10 minutes later. Boom. Whoa. Oh, you guys got to see that? Lucky. This is awesome. Yeah, I'm real sorry I couldn't get you guys soon enough, but I hope this is a little bit of a sorry for not being able to. Well, that was definitely a cool launch. That's like a once-in-a-lifetime thing. Yeah, it definitely took a while for it to launch, though. Worth it. Yeah, I guess you would think so. Thought so. Whatever. But there is always other rockets that launch. But yeah. Well, that was still kind of cool. Well, I'm glad you guys liked it. And that concludes the rocket ship video. I thought it would just be a cool idea to record it. I saw it on the news and said, that would make a good video idea. So, there you go. Bye.